Okay. Amir, no. We didn't hide in people's stuff.
Oh. Where?
I think he tripped on his own shoelaces.
Guys, say hi.
See, Aisa, we don't go outside without tying our shoes. That's how we fall.
Okay, guys, say hot or cold. If we're close to an exit.
Hot, very hot.
Oh my god. That's hot. Found one. Oh my god. Okay. Are we still hot?
Yes, you are very hot.
We're hot.
Aisa, this way. Go this way. Slowly, Aisa, slowly.
Oh my god.
You found one? Behind the vending machine?
Yeah.
I don't want to interrupt your picture there.
No problem.